What exactly are those enigmatic blobs hidden deep within Mars? Scientists might finally be unraveling this long-standing Martian mystery. For billions of years, these puzzling lumps have remained locked beneath Mars' crust, embedded within its mantle, the thick, rocky layer sandwiched between the planet's outer shell and its core. A recent study published in Science suggests these frozen blobs could be some of the oldest remnants from the dawn of our solar system. The breakthrough came thanks to NASA's InSight lander, the first robotic mission designed to probe Mars's interior in detail. By carefully analyzing how seismic waves from Marsquakes travel through the planet's interior, InSight revealed previously unseen lumps lurking within the mantle. "We've never had such a clear and detailed glimpse inside a planet before," said Konstantinos Charalambous, lead author of the study and researcher at Imperial College London. "What we're observing is a mantle peppered with ancient fragments that have survived for eons. These irregular, disordered regions of the mantle, where the blobs reside at various depths, are believed to be the scars of violent impacts and turbulent convection processes from Mars's formative years. The research team identified dozens of these blobs, theorizing that they originated when massive asteroids or rocky bodies slammed into Mars during the early solar system. The energy unleashed by these colossal impacts was enough to melt vast stretches of Mars's early crust and mantle, creating enormous magma oceans. At the same time, debris from these collisions was driven deep into the planet's interior, embedding these mysterious blobs within the mantle's solid rock, NASA explains. Charalambous likened the pattern to shattered glass, comprising a few large shards alongside many smaller fragments scattered throughout. Some of these structures are enormous, measuring up to 2.5 miles, about 4 kilometers, across, dispersed within the mantle's roughly 960-mile thick layer of hot, solid rock. Unfortunately, InSight's mission ended in 2022, when dust storms on Mars covered its solar panels, cutting off its power supply. However, during its operational period, InSight recorded data from 1,319 Marsquakes, providing an unprecedented window into the planet's interior. "We always knew Mars was like a time capsule, preserving clues about its early formation," said Tom Pike, co-author of the study and fellow researcher at Imperial College London. "But we didn't expect to see these details so vividly with InSight." These findings not only deepen our understanding of Mars' geological past, but also offer valuable clues about how rocky planets evolve throughout the solar system. Moreover, they have important implications for assessing the habitability of terrestrial planets, shedding light on the conditions that might support life. One key reason Mars preserves these ancient features is its lack of active plate tectonics. Unlike Earth, where the mantle is constantly stirred and recycled by shifting plates, erasing much of its early geological record, Mars' single-plate crust means its mantle experiences far less mixing. This stability allows these primordial blobs to remain intact, offering a rare glimpse into planetary origins and evolution. The fact that these blobs have survived until today tells us Mars' mantle has evolved very slowly over billions of years, Charalambous explained. On Earth, similar features would likely have been wiped away by tectonic activity. But here's where it gets controversial. Could these ancient blobs also hint at hidden processes or materials within Mars that challenge our current models of planetary formation? And if Mars' mantle is so well preserved, what secrets might it still be hiding beneath its surface? What do you think? Does this discovery change how we view Mars and other rocky planets? Are these blobs just geological leftovers, or could they be clues to something more profound? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.